First row of K-tips, keep 1 to 2 inches from bottom of hairline and 1 inch from side of hairline. Second row of K-tips is approximately 1 inch up from first row. The third row is just above the ears, the longest row yet. The fourth row is approximately 1 inch above row 3. The fifth and final row in the back. Avoid bonds in any cowlick area. First side row. Start at least 1 inch above ear and 1 inch from hairline. The second side row is pink color and meets up with the back row, blue color. The third side row does not extend to the back. The fourth side row adds more density to the front and does not extend to the back. Repeat side rows on the other side. This video shows a full head application of K-tips, all microbonds.